Welcome to Radzen Blazor Studio. In this video, we'll explore how to use themes and swatches to style your application globally, quickly switching visual design and ensuring consistent branding across your Blazor app. Let's begin by opening the Appearance panel. On the left navigation, click Appearance. The options inside the Appearance panel only become available when a Razor file is open. If the panel looks empty, open any Razor page first. At the top, you'll see the Theme dropdown. Here you can choose from the built-in themes like Standard, Material, Fluent, or their dark variants. Selecting a theme immediately updates your app's look. Typography, spacing, and colors update automatically without writing any CSS. Each theme also offers predefined swatches. These are color palettes for base colors, primary, secondary, info, success, warning, and danger tones. Choose a swatch, and the palette is applied instantly across your app. It's a simple way to match your brand's identity in just one click. The Customize section in the Appearance panel displays pickers for every color token, typography settings, spacing, borders, and even component styles. When you adjust a color, the changes are saved to your site's CSS file, so your styling remains consistent and versioned with your project. If you're using a premium plan, you can also export and import theme JSON files to reuse across different projects. Here are a few quick tips. First, always check color contrast to ensure accessibility compliance. Radzen includes high contrast swatches for this purpose. Global theme customizations affect components unless they have styles edited locally in the Styles tab. Local edits override global styles. And finally, consider version controlling your CSS changes through Git to maintain consistency across your team. And that's it. You've learned how to switch themes, apply swatches, and customize your app's styling in Radzen Blazor Studio. For more details, check the documentation links below. And don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos.